Okay, ma'am. Good morning, 5th class students. Yesterday we discussed about shapes and angles. Yesterday only we discussed shapes. What is shapes? There are two types of shapes. Is the 2D shapes and 3D shapes. 2D shapes means it consists length, breadth, and the examples of 2D shape is square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Square, it has 4 sides, it has 4 corners, all sides are equal, 2 diagonals are formed. Next one is rectangle. It has 4 sides, it has 4 corners, 2 diagonals are formed, only opposite sides are equal. Third one is triangle. Triangle means it has 3 sides, it has 3 corners. Next one, circle. It has no corners, it has no sides. 3D shape. It consists length, breadth and height. Examples of 3D shape is cube, cuboid, like sphere, cone and cylinder. So, first what is cube? It has 6 faces, it has 8 corners, it has 12 edges. Each face of a cube is square. Next one is cuboid. It has 6 faces, it has 8 corners, it has 12 edges and each face of a cuboid is rectangle. Cone. It has one flat face, it has one curved surface, it has only one corner. Next one is cylinder. It has 2 flat faces, it has one curved surface, it has 2 curved edges and 2 flat faces are circular. Next last one is sphere. Sphere means it has a sphere has a curved surface, it has no sides, it has no faces, it has no edges. Okay. Next we will go to angle. Angle. See? Now, what is angle? An angle is formed. An angle is formed. See? An angle is formed when two lines or things. When two lines or things or objects. See? An angle is formed when two lines or things or objects meet at a common point. Meet at a common point. Now these are all you will write in your MCW. Okay. See, an angle is formed when two lines or things or objects meet at a common point. See here, these two things meeting at the same point like this. Meeting at the same point. Okay. Now, is there any unit? See, is there any unit to measure angles? Is there any unit to measure angles? Yes. Angles are measured. Angles are measured in degrees. So, what is angle? An angle is formed when two lines or things or objects meet at a common point. So, what is the measured unit? Angle measured, it means angles are measured in degrees. Angles are measured in degrees. See here first, this one is the common point of the angle. Next, this one. This one is the acute angle. This one is the right angle. This one is obtuse angle. See here now. First, what is acute angle? First, what is 0 degrees? See, first we will go put right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. Okay, ma. Right angle means 90 degree. Acute angle means acute angle. Acute angle is less than the right angle. Is less than the right angle. Right angle means correct 90 degree. 90 degree means it looks like this. See, correct 90 degree. This one is the right angle. Acute angle means is less than 90 degree means this less than 90 degree. From 0 to below 90. That one is acute angle. Next, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means is greater than the right angle. Is greater than the right angle means, see here, greater than the right angle means, see, first right angle means correct 90 degree. Acute angle means from 0 to 90 means 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Up to 80 to 80, that one 80 and 89, below 90 degree, that one is acute. Obtuse means above 90 means 90 after what comes 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150 like this. That one is obtuse angle. Next, now you understand what is right angle and what is acute and what is obtuse. See here, this one is the angle, common point 0 degrees. This one acute, this one right, this one obtuse. But this one is the straight angle, 180 degrees total. This one is straight angle. Okay, ma? Now you understand what is right angle and acute and obtuse. So these are the angles. So what we learn today? Angles: right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. Right angle is 90 degree. Acute angle is less than the 90 degree. Obtuse angle means is greater than the 90 degree. And 180 degree is straight angles. Okay. So in your house having clocks, right? See, that clocks shows different angles. Okay, once you observe, you will think which one is right angle, which one is obtuse angle, and which one is acute angle. See, so in the English alphabets also we will find. Okay, see, this one is, suppose we will take T. Yes, this one is T. See, this is the right angle. Correct, 90 degrees there. This is the right angle. This one and this one, 90 degree. Yes. L also, L. See, this one is the correct 90 degree. E also is there, E. See, 90, 90. These are the right angles, right? Suppose, see, benches also there. In your house having corners, right? That corners also is there. Doors is there. Clocks is there. These are all the angles, right? Suppose this one is the one object and this one is the one object. So this is the acute below 90 degree. This one and this one. Like this means this one is the obtuse. These are the angles, okay ma? Next, shadow of objects. Next topic is shadows of objects. See in page number 9, shadow of objects. See, Suresh went to a magic show with his friends. There he was excited to see the magician replicate different animals and shapes using his hands. By observing carefully, he understood that the magician was able to do using the shadow of his hands. See that page number 9. They are having shadow of objects. If we also suppose మనం ఇలా నిలబడితే మన వెనకాల shadow compulsory appear అవుతుంది. So like this also, this was of the shadow of objects. Okay ma? Next one is circle. Circle, see. Circle. This one is the circle. Okay. This one is center. This one is the center. The center is meet at the boundary is called radius. At the point is called radius. Okay. From center to the boundary. From here to here. This one also one radius. Okay. This total is diameter. See, diameter. Diameter of a circle. Diameter of a circle is equal to 2r. 2r means 2 radius. One diameter is equal to 2 radius. Next, radius of a circle. Radius of a circle. R is equal to D by 2. This is the formula. See, diameter of a circle is equal to 2r means 2 radius. R means radius. Radius of a circle. Radius of a circle is equal to R is equal to D by 2. D by 2. Okay ma? Next, tangram. Tangram is a Chinese puzzle. See in page number 11. Tangram is a Chinese puzzle. Let us see. With 7 pieces and another 5 pieces, cut a chart paper into 7 pieces and make different shapes with them. Let us some shapes made with 7 pieces of a tangram. See, they are having so many pieces is there. First, large triangle, parallelogram, 2 small triangles and square. So, cut a chart paper into 5 pieces as shown in the figure below. Tangram. See, here first one we will take, this one is one square. What is this? Square. This one is one large rectangle, means very big rectangle. Triangle. Large triangle. And this one is one small triangle. This one also one small triangle. And this one is parallelogram. This one is parallelogram. So what we observe here? One square, one triangle. See? One square, one triangle, one large triangle, one parallelogram and one triangle again. So total how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. Okay, ma'am. Make different shapes with the 5 pieces of tangram. Tangram is here having different pieces. Next, tells you have seen pieces of a puzzle in different size. If all pieces are of same size and same shape, we can make patterns with the pieces. Suppose once you observe in your houses, some member houses having tiles, right? Tiles and they stick చేస్తారు చూడమ్మా అది different గా ఉంటాయి అవన్నీ కంబైన్ చేస్తే one new puzzle will come. Okay ma. So we completed your chapter. Compulsory you should write all in your MCW. And if you have any doubts, you will ask on online classes. Okay? Thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Good morning, my 5th class students. Already in previous class we discussed about the chapter shapes and angles, right? Already we learned about shapes, 2D shapes and 3D shapes and examples of 2D and 3D shapes and angles, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, right? Radius, diameter, shadows, tangram. Already we discussed about these topics. Now we will go to workbook 1. Open workbook page number 4. See? Workbook page number 4. Page number 4. See what is the first one? Write the number of edges, faces and corners of the following objects. So first one is cube. Cube. See? First, number of edges. Edges, number of faces, next corners. Corner. So in cube, 12 edges, 6 faces, 8 corners. Okay? In cube, 12 edges, 6 faces and 8 corners. Next, that cookies. Cookies box is cuboid. Cuboid. Cuboid, this one. This one also edges, faces, corners. 12 edges, 6 faces, 8 corners. Okay, ma'am? In cuboid also 12 edges, 6 faces, 8 corners. Next one is that bottle. Bottle is cylinder shape. What shape that one? Cylinder. Bottle, yes. Edges, faces, corners. Cylinder shape means 2 edges, 0 faces, 0 corners. Okay. Cylinder shape is 2 edges, 0 faces and 0 corners. Next one is that tree. Tree is cone shape is the that one. See? Like this is there. Like this. Cone shape. So edges, faces, corners. So in face. No, 1 second. In cylinder, 0 edges, 2 faces, 0 corner. In 0 edge, 1 face, 1 corner. Okay, ma'am. See, 0 in cylinder, 0 edges, 2 faces, 0 corners, and in cone, 0 edges, 1 face and 1 corner. Okay. So first section completed. Next, see. The second one. The following objects have rectangular faces or square faces. Connect the objects with the same faces by drawing lines. Okay, ma. Here match the following. First, that one is cuboid shape. Cuboid shape means that CPU. Connect that, match that one. Okay. Next, having dice. Dice and puzzle box. You will match that one. Okay, ma. Next, name the angles. Mark in page number 5. See, page number 5. See, name the angles marked in the following pictures. One is done for you. Make the angles marked in the following pictures. One is done for you. First one is obtuse angle. Yes. Next, second one. Second one also obtuse angle. See that one like this now. This is the. So this means right. This means obtuse. Obtuse angle. Next one, right angle. Right angle. See, right angle. It looks like this. Right angle. Next, fourth one, acute. Acute angle. Like this is there. Acute angle. Next one, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Next, last one, sixth one, that crocodile mouth means acute. Acute angle. Acute. Okay. See, first one already there. One is done for you now. They only given one. No? Next, second one, obtuse angle. Third one, right angle. Fourth one, acute angle. Fifth one, obtuse angle. And sixth one, acute angle. Okay. Next, we will go to next page. Page number 6. Page number 6. Page number 6. First, correct. See, identify the angle between the two hands of the following clocks. One is done for you. Okay. First one, correct. 12 is there. Means 0 degrees. The two hands are at same place. 0 degree. Next one, 1. 1 means 30 degree. Second one is 30 degree. Okay. Third one. First 1 means 30 means 2 means 30 double. 30 plus 30, 60. 60. Now 3 means 90. Correct. That one is right angle, 90 degree. Fifth one. Fourth means, see, 90 plus 30, 120 degree. Fourth one is 120 degree. Fifth one is 5 means 120 plus 30, 150 degree. 150 degree. Next, seventh one. 6. 6 means correct. The hands are there like that. Opposite the hands. That Long hand and short hand opposite sides means 180 degree. Like this, see. This one 180 degree. This one 90 degree. Next, eighth one. 180. Next 7 time means 180 plus 30, 210. Next, ninth one. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock means 210 plus 30 means 240. 240. Next, 240. 240 plus 30, 270 degree. 9. Okay. This one, 1 o'clock. This one, 2 o'clock. This one, 3 o'clock. This one, 4 o'clock. This one, 5 o'clock. Next, 6 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. So 270 plus 30, 300 degrees. 300 degrees. Degrees ma compulsory you write like this, okay? Degrees. Next, last one. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock means 330 plus 30, 360 degrees. Okay, total 300. Here 180 degrees, here 180. 180, 180, total 360 degrees. Okay, once again I am repeating this one only. See, identify the angle between the two hands of the following clocks. One is done for you. 12 o'clock is 0 degree. Next, 1 o'clock is 30 degree, 2 o'clock is 60 degree, 3 o'clock is 90 degree, 4 o'clock is 120 degree, 5 o'clock is 150 degree, 6 o'clock is 180 degree, 7 o'clock is 210 degree, 8 o'clock is 240 degree, 9 o'clock is 270 degree, 10 o'clock is 330 degree, and 11 o'clock is 360 degree. Okay, ma'am. Compulsory you will write in your workbook these sections. Okay. Next class we will continue.